Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidre. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, I promise you guys that I'm going to be releasing another video on boom 1000 and explain in details how to use this strategy to trade. In my previous video, I don't show you guys the settings of this strategy, so watch this video to the end. I'm going to share you the settings of this strategy here. So guys, this is boom 1000 5-minute time frames. I told you guys that this strategy will always works with your screen adjustment. You see, with your screen level, you see. For those guys that used to ask what is the zoom level, so the zoom level is the third zoom level, so use the third zoom level. That's exactly what I'm using now. So you have to adjust your screen to this beginning of your screen. You see, you have to adjust it to this particular area for you to set up this strategy, for you to use it accurate like this. You see, you have to set it up like this. You see, in my own screen here, I'm having the beginning of the trade to be on this M trade. You see that on this M trade, so that is my beginning of the charts. You see, immediately I find an accurate at this particular time. This is the best time for me to enter the trade. So you see that we have a false confirmation at this area. We have a false confirmation here. So let me show you the reason why this full confirmation, we need to take this full confirmation. So we have, you see now, at this particular time now, it's respecting our level at this area. You see, I told you guys that we are having two moving average on our main charts, on our settings, which is the red one and the blue one. And I told you guys that if the red 9 is moving on a 90 level, and we are going to be having the blue 9 that is trading above the 50 level, that's the right time for us to take this particular trade. You have to first confirm your red 9 reaching the 90 level, and you must make sure that your blue 9 is not trading outside the 50 level. It's trading between the 50 to 90 level. So that's the safe time for you to enter this particular trade. So immediately you have your red 9 on a 90 level. You see, this is the candle that it was respecting, and you have to enter your trade at this particular time. And you can also confirm your blue 9 that is not trading above, it's not trading below 50 level on boom 1000. You see, now you can easily enter there and count your candle 1 2 3 4 5 and out of the trade, or you keep on counting up to 10 before you out of the trade. Yeah, it's very safe for you at this time. So let me show you another sample of that you need to learn now. Okay, yes, we have another confirmation here. The reason why you don't trade this particular area is that when you put it to that beginning area, you can see that it's not reaching our 90 level. It's not reaching our 90 level. So we have to look for the one that is reaching our 90 level. You see, we have to check, we have to wait patient enough to locate that one that is reaching our 90 level. You see, once it's reaching your 90 level, then that is the right time for you to enter this particular trade. You see, the first thing you will see is that your red 9 will reach your 90 level, and when you check your blue 9, you will discover that it's reaching below the is reaching between the 90 and the 50 level. So it means this particular trade is safe for you to take. But as the market is moving, you will discover that this particular blue 9 is also adjusting itself. You see, it's coming down, but at the beginning of that chart, you will see that this particular blue 9 is in between this 50 to 90 level, and that's why you are safe to take this particular trade. Here you have your confirmation at this candle. You can easily take 1 2 3 4 5 6 Or even if you still wait and you still see this small spike here, you can still wait to what to adjust yourself to what to make more profits. So that's one thing you need to understand about this strategy. And I have another confirmation at this area. You see our red 9 reach our 90 level, and you can see the blue 9 is still in between the 90 and the 50 level. So it means it's safe for us to take this particular candle. You see, that's how you keep on taking this profit time to time. You see, we have another confirmation at this area. It still give us a what another confirmation here, and what you see next is what is taking our candlestick. You see that? So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, we have another confirmation here. If you see this now, you will see that the blue 9 is still in between the 90 and the 50 level. So it means we are safe, and our red now have reached our 90. So you are safe to take as many candlesticks you want. And also you can also decide to take your profits when you have your red 9 reaching your 50 level, or your blue 9 reaching your 50 level. So guys, let me show you the settings of this. We have the indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index. We have the period of 7. We have the apply to close. We have our style to be in white color, and we have different level here. We have level for odd trend, and we have level for 90. We have 10, and we have 5, and we have 50. So you can press on done on that. Then we have the first moving average, which is the period of 5. We have our shift to be 0. We have our method to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our style in red color. You see that? So we have the second moving average, which is the period of 60. We have our shift to be 0, our methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our style in blue color. So that is the settings. So when you have these same settings, you will have it on your charts. You see, this particular trade now, you see, I take this particular trade, and I'm looking out for another entry for me to take. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful strategy like this. And also you can also like and share our video, and also you can join our Telegram group for mentorship and for guide. Thanks.